Koske. I'm the Vice Chancellor of Moi University, and I would want to welcome all of you to Moi University, to the Center of Excellence, what we call AC2, in phytochemicals, textiles and renewable energy. This center was established in 2016, and so far we're doing very well, and we've achieved a number of benefits to the university and the community. The first being the incubation center, worth 25 million Kenya shillings, the only center in Kenya and indeed in East and Southern Africa. Secondly, we bidded and won to develop a curriculum on energy access funded to the tune of 8 million Kenya shillings, which is ongoing. And again, we have innovations, a number of them, through AC2. Again, we've equipped our labs for teaching, training and research. We've also given scholarships to a number of students who are doing postgraduate, 69 masters students, 27 PhDs. And we also undertake outreach services. In particular, we train on natural dyes in Uasin-Gishu, Trans Nzoia and Kisumu, and in Ahero. We've also trained on renewable energy, where we've also installed biogas, in particular in KSS, in partnership with our Biogas International.
The Center of Excellence in Phytochemicals, Textile Engineering, Industrial Engineering and Renewable Energy at Moi University, ACE2-PTRE, was established after a successful application of World Bank funding during the African Center of Excellence 2 bidding by East and South African states. It is one of the 24 African Centers of Excellence founded by the World Bank ACE2 project that aims to provide high-quality training and research within the African region.
I'm Professor Ambrose Kiprop. I'm the Africa Center of Excellence in Phytochemicals, Textile and Renewable Energy Center leader, which is based at Moi University. And this Center of Excellence at Moi University is having three components: the phytochemicals, the textile and the renewable energy component, which is addressed by two schools, the School of Biological and Physical Sciences and also the School of Engineering. And we have 5 degree programs that we are offering at the center, and the training is for both master's and PhD programs.
The center has enrolled a total of 96 students. Those who are nationally drawn pursuing their master's courses are 34 male and 16 female, while 17 male and 6 female are pursuing their PhD courses. 30% of the students are from regional countries such as Malawi, Zambia, Uganda, Ethiopia, Rwanda, Sudan to Tanzania.
I'm Bomumin Osiden. I come from Uganda, and I'm pursuing a master in industrial engineering. I'm in my final year.
I am Tandio Alidi. I am from Malawi. I'm studying MSce in analytical chemistry.
My name is Clement Malanda. I'm from Malawi.
My name is Lasaz Winfred, a student from Uganda, pursuing a master's degree in analytical chemistry.
11 male and 7 female are pursuing master's courses, while 3 male and 2 female are pursuing the PhD courses.
We have received applications recently for this academic year starting 2019-2020, which also have students from all the way from Zambia, Malawi, and Ethiopia again, among the other countries that they had also applied last year.
Cognizant of the fact that some students hail from non-English-speaking countries, the Center, in partnership with the School of Arts and Social Sciences at Moi University, ensures that they are well trained to comprehend the language and better their reading and writing skills.
And then this course just basically means, how do you share the knowledge you're learning or the knowledge that you're relating, that you're teaching? You can do that in 2 ways. You can do that in a written form, or you can do that in an oral form.
The World Bank ACE2 project support runs for 5 years, during which the centers will be entrenched in the university system for sustainability. The main objective of ACE2 PTRE is to train highly skilled manpower in phytochemicals, textile, and renewable energy through research, innovation, and technology transfer for enhancement of the manufacturing sector.
I'm Ondari Brian Overmas, an MSc student doing my energy studies. Yeah, I'm doing my analysis of coal, that is the combustion characteristics of Kenyan coal. The coal samples, I got them from Taru and Mui. Taru is in Kilifi and Kware at the border in the coast. Then Mui is in Kitui County. Then I'm doing the combustion characteristics whereby I'm analyzing the temperature time, and also I'm doing also the temperature weight analysis for the coal. I can record at different times as it burns. Then I'm recording the temperature as it goes. At the end of it, I'll be able to draw a graph showing how it burns down, and that I'll be able to get the characterization of that coal. I'm also doing the proximate analysis to ascertain, like, is it like the other coal that we get from the other countries. So I'm going to compare like the coal from South Africa and also from China to see like how viable is the Kenyan coal with the other coal from other countries.
As a regional center, PTRE mission is focused on providing highly trained, skilled and empowered human capacity with the potential to develop innovative products of high value and quality, offer services and solutions for the manufacturing sector.
Industrial engineering, I've already gained a lot, and I have both practical and theoretical knowledge for now.
This one is a kind of project, just a small project I was doing. So now this is a Arduino microcontroller. So now this one I programmed it to give me these 3 colors of light at the go. It's like a control system that the red should light first, then the green, then the blue light, and each between it has to make an alarm. For the transition has to make an alarm. So basically this one is applicable to like when you want to control any in-house equipment, like you can control the fridge or the temperature in the house. If I connect the sensor, when the temperature increases, it has to make for me an alarm to activate the fans automatically.
The center envisages it will churn out excellent postgraduate students. Therefore, to support their training needs, it has well-equipped lecture rooms for teaching and evaluation. In the same vein, students are able to access educational material outside the traditional classroom through the e-learning programs. Additionally, the center has procured laptops and a smart interactive whiteboard for use by the students and faculty members. Aside from coursework, the graduate students conduct scientific research, which requires them to go through a set of procedures used in natural sciences while conducting experiments. The African Center of Excellence has thus renovated the wet laboratory at the Department of Textile Engineering, fully equipped with a state-of-the-art apparatus that students can use as a learning space.
I'm John Hafafa. I'm a senior technologist. This department, manufacturing, textile engineering. These particular students, we assist them in the management and operation of the equipment, give them materials, and guide them on the instructions they follow in their making their project a success. The few students who are sponsored by ACE2 have been doing their practicals here, and they're doing well. So far, the practicals they have come with, we have been able to handle them. The whole of this lab has been evaluated by ACE2. That is the structural, the internal design, and the equipping of the apparatus. This hot press is used for transfer of color from a light material to a white material. When you are pressing, for example, a skirt has some materials which are white in color. You wash the two together and you want to press them. When you press, what happens is color transfer from the colored material to the white material, and that's staying. So this helps us to determine which colors should be pressed at what temperature. This is a furnace. This is sponsored by SC2. This furnace can go up to 1,100 degrees centigrade. It's being used for curing bricks. It is also being used for metal analysis. It's also being used for ashing of textile materials. We want to check the ash content of a textile material. This is a sample dyeing machine. This machine is used to dye larger samples. Instead of a test tube, we use now this one. And it has a computerized program here. The program which you set here and you dye here is the same program now you can take to the machines in the industry and produce exactly the same. SC2 oil bath. There are certain things you want to heat at a particular temperature, and the oil bath can maintain a particular temperature for a longer period than water. So we use this with these containers, we put them inside here, then we use it. So we can maintain the temperature at 60, maintain the temperature at maybe 120, even 130, we can reach here. This oven was being used to determine the moisture content and moisture control. It wasn't sufficient for research purposes. But now the oven which we got from SC2 is more efficient, and it can go up to 320 degrees centigrade. And you can control the amount of time your sample can be there. This is a grinder. This grinder is used for grinding natural dyes and also used for grinding some pieces of wood for pulping purposes. This is the microscope, and then it's metallurgical microscope, and this is the computer that receives. So you can see the cracks or whatever in the fiber. This one is a spectrophotometer called Raman. This Raman can help us to determine the molecular structure of most of the substances by giving us the different wavelengths. And when it gives us different wavelengths, it can be interpreted more as a distillant, because we need distilled water for our experiments. This is also provided by the SC2. There's a sticker there.
The center also has linkages with industries to ensure that the students gain relevant skills and experience in their field of study. Notably, Rivertext East Africa Limited has not only allowed the students to carry out complex laboratory testing on their projects, but it has seen through the placement of student interns, where the employees exchange their services and the students get a feel of what is expected in their professional careers.
As a center, we are working closely with partners, and these partners, they are either from within the country or within the region. And among the partners that we have worked with successfully include Flexi Biogas International, University of Gezira, Association of Energy Professionals of East Africa. And with these partners, we actually have a committee that always sits or meets twice in a year. And this is through the Industrial Linkages Committee, which is actually coordinated by one of our coordinators, Dr. Jacqueline Makatiani. And it is through this committee that we are also able to plan a number of activities that are beneficial to the center and also impacting on the university and the community at large.
Together with partners, ACE2PTRE has also held 2 industrial linkage meetings to foster a way forward on how to build the capacity of staff and students in carrying out collaborative research with industries so as to solve development challenges in society. Currently, the center boasts of 6 publications.
A number of innovative products have come up from the research that has been undertaken by our staff and students. For example, we have a gadget that is assisting farmers in monitoring moisture content, and this was undertaken by one of our faculty in the renewable energy component. Among other activities that we have done is whereby we have professional talks to our students at the university, and also even engaging graduate faculty in terms of also identifying some of the challenges that are faced in the industry and which probably needs a serious address by the graduate faculty in terms of offering solutions.
To date, the center has connected internet within its offices and equipped a facility that enables video conferencing services. ACE2 PTRE has also enhanced the development of skill for staff members through a staff exchange program. It has sponsored 23 faculty members from the center on an exchange program, both at the national and regional levels. It has also hosted 6 faculty members from the region and nation on exchange program. The faculty was able to work on the ongoing research projects, develop joint publications, and write proposals for funding. 16 members of staff have also benefited from 2 short courses developed and offered by ACE2 PTRE.
We have offered a short course on curriculum development and program delivery, and this we offer to our faculty staff. And we have also a course that we are going to offer jointly with one of our partners, a private partner, the Association of Energy Professionals of East Africa. And this is a course that it is the only one that is being offered in Kenya other than in South Africa. And the course is Certified Renewable Energy Professional. This is going to be offered in October this year at our Nairobi campus.
In line with the goals of innovation through technology and development, the students, together with the lecturers concerned, have succeeded in extracting natural dye from the Mexican marigold weed, which can be applied to fabrics to enhance their appearance and quality.
This is a product of marigold, tie and dye, and it was done using simultaneous mordanting. This one we used post-mordanting method to obtain this beautiful color. We're able to get this fabric. It's very beautiful.
The team is in the front line of training hand weavers on the same processes as an outreach service. This will sure go a long way in improving the textile cottage industry.
We have successfully offered 3 short courses. One of the courses was on natural dyes for textile. This we offered at the university. And also we also offered as an outreach program, and we visited a number of counties. One was, of course, it was in Kishu County, Trans Nzoia County, and also Kisumu County.
In the same spirit of offering community outreach services, the center has partnered with Flexi Biogas International to train farmers in Kesas region on the application of renewable and alternative energy technologies. This is geared towards reducing carbon emission, deforestation, and generally conserving the environment.
We decided to have a biogas. The gas is inside, it is full of gas right now. This one will stop actually deforestation. This one actually saves time. It saves time because you cannot actually go and look for firewood outside. This one also, it makes us also now to enjoy. Even myself, I can just go to the kitchen and continue cooking because there's no smoke. So this thing anyway is actually the best thing anyway that we can actually encourage our communities to have.
And this biogas plant is also serving as demonstration centers for the entire community around Kesas. Again, we are working with the same private partner. We are setting up a huge biogas plant at the university, and this one will be serving the catering department, and we will also set another one in one of the other cafeterias of the university, and this will also be serving the research interest of the academic staff, but also will be a demonstration for farmers or anybody else who will be interested to see the facility.
In a bid to improve the quality in ACE2 PTRE, the center has held 2 self-evaluation seminars. During the seminar, strides made and challenges encountered were discussed and solutions provided. The African Center of Excellence in Phytochemicals, Textile and Renewable Energy continues to work towards realizing the manufacturing component of the Kenyan government Big Four agenda.
We cherish our partners who've made us achieve a number of things that we've achieved in the center. In this particular case, I want to appreciate Biogas International, Kirdi, Rivertex, which is our company for making fabrics or textiles, University of Gesira in Sudan, Grow Forum in Uganda, and the University of Bustem that we are working closely together also in Uganda. Thank you very much.